Assalamu alaikum everybody. A quick message for you all today, that is, if you think that if you're becoming a better version of yourself and now you have become better enough that when you'll go in front of those people who made fun of you, who did not respect you, disrespected you, and who actually made you feel like you're the worst, so now you'll go in front of them and they will respect you and they will think that wow, he has done something in his life now, so we're gonna be friends with him. Trust me, they're gonna disrespect you even more, and you will feel like the worst again. And then you will say that I have worked so hard, am I still nothing? But actually you're a lot. But the reason why you did it was not a lot. You did something great for some not great people. You must do it for yourself. You must do it to please God. You must wake up every day. You must work out to look good for yourself and to please God. God gave you this body and you must please Him, and you must show your God that you're respecting this body, you're taking care of this body, you're moving. Alright? God gave you this life. You must wake up every day and you give your best every day. And you please God. You please yourself. And you must prove that the reason why I'm in this world, I'm completing myself and I am going after that purpose. My purpose in this world is I'm chasing that purpose. I'm chasing that purpose that I have in this world, and I'm working for it, and I'm pleasing God. The moment you start pleasing people, other people, you start proving them that now I am a better version of myself and now you should respect me. Trust me, they're gonna disrespect you even more. They're gonna make fun of you, they're gonna laugh at you. You're nothing but an entertainment for them. They're just gonna disrespect you because you're doing things for them. You are trying to please them. You can never please a human being. Never ever. You can never ever do that. You can only please God and only please yourself. So respect God, because disrespecting God, you will be nothing in this world and in the next. You will be nothing. So you must respect your God, because God is the one who is the greater. Somebody is great, somebody is greatest. God is greater. So you must respect yourself and you must respect God. God gave you this body, work out. God gave you this life, go after this life. Chase your purpose, work hard for it. People are making fun of you, stop caring. At least now you're doing something that you want to do. They were making fun of you even before. They were making fun of you. When you were doing nothing, they were making fun of you still. Now you're doing something that you want to do, they're still making fun of you. Let them make fun of you. At least you're doing something that you want to do. Please God, please yourself. Stop trying to please other people. You cannot, and you will just disrespect. You're just disrespecting yourself, and you're just disrespecting God. And disrespecting God will never lead to a good end. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next. Assalamu alaikum.